Go on, Ranveer, start.
Today I'm going to play sink or float to see what sinks and floats.
What is this you have here in your shopping cart?
Things that sink or float.
Okay, let's try. What's the first one you're going to do?
A cow.
And what do you have on the table here? What is this?
A big jar of water.
Okay, go on. Let's see what happens. Did you think it was going to float or sink?
Sink.
Yeah, I thought it would sink too, but it's floating.
Okay?
Yeah, let's do the next one.
One apple. Next.
Ha.
Floating.
Do you think it's going to sink or float?
I think it's going to float.
Okay, try. Hey, you're right.
It sinks and floats.
No, that's because it's too big for the jar. But I think it will float, you're right. What else do you have next?
A hammer.
What do you think? Sink or float?
Sink.
Go on, try.
Float.
Floats.
This one is a magnet.
A magnet.
Oh, yes.
What do you think? Sink or float?
Sink.
Go on. You're right.
Sink. Next thing I'm going to put is a potato.
A potato?
Yeah,
Is that a real one or a toy one?
a toy one.
What do you think it's going to do? Sink or float?
Float.
Okay, let's see. You're right. Give that to me. Whoa.
I'll give it to you. I'm giving it to you.
And I dropped it.
Bonk.
Okay, what's next?
Another magnet. And another one. And another one. Ah!
You have so many magnets, Ranveer.
Yes.
What do you think? Sink or float? We did it already, so you know the answer.
Sink. It sinks. Get it. Get it. Get it. No.
Nicely done. Take that.
A car. A car. A toy car.
Sink or float?
Sink.
Yes, you're right.
And we go all the way to the bottom. One wooden block.
What do you think it'll do?
Float.
Yes, you're right.
Too clever for this game. 2 bowls.
What's it doing?
Floating.
Yeah. Did you think it was going to float?
Yes! A duck.
Sink or
Another
float?
duck.
Sink or float?
Float.
Okay. Yes, that's right.
Some blocks.
No. Do you think there's a better way to do that?
Yes.
Uh-oh. 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 You want to tell us what you're trying to do, Ranveer?
It floats.
Yes. What are these?
Blocks.
These are blocks.
This blocks. No other blocks.
I thought you were going to put the shopping cart inside.
I am.
No, it won't fit.
I'm I'm going to squeeze it.
No, I don't think it's possible. No. It won't go. Okay, so Ranveer is...
No, another one.
Okay,
Another one. Next, I'm going to put a dot in the water.
try.
Float. I'm making the dot.
Good. Is that it? Is that all you had?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it again. This was fun.
It was, wasn't it? Ranveer, why do some things sink and some things float?
Because of density. If a cat.
No, what do you mean
This
cat?
is silly.
Don't be silly. Tell me more about density. Why do things sink and
If we
things
put a
float?
heavy cup in the river,
A heavy cupboard in a river.
if we put a heavy egg in the river,
Mm-hmm.
in a box, and close it,
Yeah.
it will sink.
Mm-hmm.
And if you put a lace heavy egg in the river,
Mm-hmm.
it will
Mm-hmm.
float.
Okay, that's fine. But tell me more about why density makes something sink or float.
Because of density.
Okay. So if something is less dense than water,
It will
yeah.
float.
Okay. And if something is more dense than water,
It will sink.
nice. Good boy. High five.